Every door tells a story. At Love That Door, we make sure it's one of authenticity, character, and bold personality. You never get a second chance at a first impression. Our doors are designed to make an impression at first glance and years to come. No two homes are alike, and your doors and windows shouldn't be either. We craft our products in such a way that they become your home's signature piece. We don't force a fit. We craft doors and windows that are secure, seamless, and built to last. All of our products are built to your specific dimensions. In your home, everything is truly custom. Like, there's not actually anything that is duplicated. You can have two windows side by side and they're not going to be the exact same size or dimensions in some cases, depending on what's around it. So we build our products to fit your home's true dimensions and specifications each and every time, no matter where it's going. If it's a front entryway, an interior door, an interior sliding door, or something that we are creating for a partition, a garage door, everything is built to your home's exact measurements and precise dimensions. Make sure you visit lovethatdoor.com and visit our blogs, where you can see some of the most frequently asked questions, a lot of great resources that you can learn more about the products we offer, and also some of the other solutions that are available to you.